What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I got something that all my 3rd Gen 4Runner fanboys are gonna appreciate. So let me show you guys. So for my 3rd Gen 4Runner fanboys, you know that when you remove the running boards here in order to get more ground clearance, you're gonna be left with this horrible giant gap. So this gap is, I guess it's only for some 3rd Gen 4Runners that come with these plastic fender liners that unfortunately Toyota did not put any rubber behind them like the limited editions. So you know, unfortunately you get some rubbing on your paint if you get dirt behind there, and it just moves and it just causes your paint to peel and all that, and then it just creates a big mess with water and everything. So yes, let me show you guys. I was able to get mud flaps. So these are like OEM kind of in a way, but they're much shorter, so it gives you more room to fit a bigger wheel. Thus, if you had the OEM mud flaps, which I don't know if you can find anymore, you know, when you would turn, your wheel would hit it. It would hit your mud flap. So these ones are much shorter. So if you guys want to see more of that, see how these look installed, you just got to keep watching. Okay guys, so a lot of the time when people remove these running boards, they're gonna put these bolts back in place because they hold the inner fender liner in place. So luckily when these were made, they have the holes already there, so you literally just have to take out the bolts. These 2 bolts that are back here, it's literally 2 bolts and then 1 bolt down here, and then you're just gonna pop it in place. So okay, I'm gonna take those off.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
I'm impressed. Check it out. Yeah, definitely just some sanding and then repainting it again. But it does complete the look of the 4Runner. So I went ahead and I did the other side. Let me show you guys the other side. They line up pretty good. Besides just needing a little bit of sanding, like I said before, like the other side. I'm gonna pull it out in the sun so you guys can check it out. Man, it looks good. Lines up really good. Even has that line right there. Well, it has a bunch of lines, but you know which line I mean. This line from the fender. Nice and sturdy, no cheap filling or anything like that of that sort. Looks good. Look at that. Looks really good. Completes the look of the 4Runner. No more missing piece here. So there you have it, guys. If you guys are interested in more 4Runner content, stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.